is for apples, juicy and red. B is for bed, where you rest your head. C is for cat, soft and so neat. D is for dog, with paws and 4 feet. E is for eagle, soaring so high. F is for fish that swim by and by. G is for garden, where flowers bloom. H is for hat, that gives you some room. Alphabet soup, let's take a dive. Learning the letters, keeping it live. From A to Z in one go. Watch how our knowledge grows and grows. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jungle, where stories unfold. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for laughter, no need to be shy. M is for moon, lighting the night. N is for nest, where birds take flight. O is for ocean, deep and blue. P is for pirate, searching for clues. Alphabet soup, let's take a dive. Learning the letters, keeping it live. From A to Z in one go. Watch how our knowledge grows and grows.
P equals penguin. Q equals queen.
Alphabet soup, let's
R
take
equals
a
rainbow?
dive. Learning the letters, keeping it live. From A to Z in one go.
S equals stars.
Watch how our knowledge